Your PC is not slow. It is just overloaded with settings Windows never tells you about. And in the next few minutes, I will show you how to make it run faster for video editing and uploading content. The first mistake every creator makes is letting temporary files silently eat your storage and slow down your PC. So by pressing Windows plus arrow key on your keyboard will open your run dialog box, and by typing %temp%, then click OK or enter will open this folder here that contains files that are not essential in long term. They can build up and slow down your PC. It is generally safe to delete most of them to free up space and improve performance. Even after you have done that, you have to also run the second option, which is to open the run dialog box again and type temp. This will open the real folder itself. Now go ahead and delete everything you find inside this folder. Deleting everything you find here can free up enough gigabytes and improve responsiveness. Another way to make your PC faster is the ability to control your background app. By pressing Windows plus I key on your keyboard will open your settings. Then when you go to privacy and scroll down to when you see your background app, then left click on it to open. These are the apps that even when you are not using them, they will run in the background. Think of it like people talking in the background while you are trying to focus. Your PC can't perform at its best. Less background noise equals smoother editing. Another way to make your PC perform faster while editing and uploading content is to clean your drive. When your drive is almost full, your PC struggles to breathe. And a great way to perform this is by going to your File Explorer and go to this PC and right-click Drive, then open Properties. And here, use this cleanup to open these other windows at the left. Now look for temporary files, recycle bins, and thumbnail files. Select them and proceed to delete everything. Windows actually uses free space as working room. No space equals no speed. Always keep at least 20 to 25% storage free. This next one is crazy but short. Your PC might be limiting itself on purpose. On high performance mode, Windows reduces performance by consuming too much power and make your PC battery drain faster. So what you need to do is to go to the battery icon down here, right click and select power option. Here is the control panel to customize your power plan. Go to change plan settings, and right here is the perfect power plan for your PC to keep the battery safe and to last longer even without electricity. And the final trick to make your PC more faster is by removing visual effects that slows down your windows. Go to the search bar and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, then click open. This menu will open where you have option to select the settings you want for the appearance and Windows performance. Instead of letting Windows choose what's best for your PC, you should set it to adjust for best performance yourself. Then click OK to save this choice. This makes Windows less pretty but way faster for editing. And that is how you turn a normal Windows PC into a content creation machine, optimized for smoother editing and uploading. No upgrades, no software, just smart settings. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to support this channel because I will show you how to make even low-end PC edit like high-end machines. So see you all in the next video.